Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Lacosamide. Lacosamide is a sodium channel blocker. This lacosamide is a carbonic anhydrase inhibitor, and this lacosamide is also a collapsin response mediated protein modulator. This lacosamide is also a collapsin response mediated protein modulator, which is also called as CRMP modulator. And this collapsin response mediated protein modulator. So because it is responsible for formation of this collapsin response mediated protein modulator is responsible for formation of abnormal neuronal connections which are seen in epilepsy.
thank you and thank you for watching.